Hey there, friend, I've got to show you something that quietly shifts how you think about home fitness. The first time I stepped onto the T Series, it didn't feel like a treadmill at all. It felt like I finally claimed a space built for me. If you're the kind of person who values consistency, not just the occasional workout, but turning movement into a habit, demanding reliability and quiet confidence from your gear, this is for you. You know what you want, something that doesn't slow you down, something that supports your best self. Before I go on, go ahead and check the link below to see if it's in stock or if there's a price swing today. It's worth knowing now, because once you feel it, there's no going back. You probably realized it was time when workouts started slipping. Maybe your old machine thumped too loud. Maybe the belt felt sluggish right when you were finally ready to push harder. Maybe you felt your ambitions outgrow your setup, that moment when you recognized your body deserves better support. The first time you started the T Series, something soft but real settled over you. The belt rolled smooth under your feet, the cushioning felt right, and the steady hum didn't fight your focus. You stood taller, breathed easier. Your body didn't have to compensate. All of a sudden, you're just moving, naturally, effortlessly, without friction stealing energy or focus. Picture this: morning runs before the world wakes up, walking while catching up on a show, steady cardio between other tasks, no commute needed. Or maybe nights when you unwind with a brisk walk or light jog, gently brushing off tension from a long day. The T Series gives you freedom to move on your own terms, when it fits your rhythm. And this isn't about speed numbers or stats, it's about how you feel. It's that subtle surge of energy after a 30-minute session. It's the tightness easing out, the posture straightening, the sluggishness replaced by clarity. Once you experience that kind of flow, every lesser treadmill feels narrow, noisy, or uninspired. If you're considering it seriously, check the link now. Don't wait for prices to fluctuate or stock to dip. These become essential far sooner than you expect. Maybe you worry, is it too big, too serious for home use? Maybe you think you can just go on the old machine a bit longer. But every time you glance at that old belt, you'll feel that familiar pinch, the reminder that your body deserves respect. And you'll know exactly why the T Series called to you. One thing that surprises most people when they own it is how effortlessly it becomes part of daily life. You don't have to plan a workout session. You just step on, start walking or jogging, and time drifts by while your body resets. It becomes quiet strength, something obvious only when you look back. Owning this changes more than just your routine. You feel different. You carry yourself differently. There's a calm confidence to hitting the deck each morning or evening because the gear behind you finally matches your intention. Steadier energy throughout the day. Worries washing off with a simple jog. Muscles waking up naturally. Mood lifting with each stride. Recovery feeling real again. If there's a downside, it's that you'll start expecting this level from everything: workouts, gear, perhaps life itself. Maybe you rearrange space just to make it feel right. But that comes with having good standards. At some point the loop ends. You stop comparing. You choose what you already felt was right. If you're ready to step into that rhythm of consistency and care, check the link below and get it while it's available. This is the upgrade your future self will quietly thank you for.